Morning bird nerds, first seen and heard Friday 20th of January here in unceded Wurundjeri country, the northwestern suburbs of Melbourne in Australia. And hey, hello new subscribers, thank you for doing the thing and the bell and all that. Great. I hope you're enjoying the content, even the long ones, hey. First seen and heard Australian magpie on both counts. Bloody fantastic. They were just singing a few minutes ago, but they're not. Cockatoos all around me this morning. New episode in the podcast feed, so you can find it on the channel. Feral cats, Judy Dunlop, massive impact on Australian wildlife. I reckon if you search feral cats in the feed, in the channel, you'll find it. Uru!